Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Creative Tools School. My name is Vincent. I received a question someone asked how to compress PDF. So I want to show you how to compress PDF. If you got a PDF that is big in terms of the MB, you can compress it to reduce the size. So we want to go to Google Chrome, search on Google Chrome, I love PDF. Select enter. iLovePDF.com, open it up, select compress PDF, compress PDF file, reduce file size while optimizing for maximum PDF quality. Select file or you drop the PDF file here. So you can drop the PDF file. For example, if you open up window, then go to File Explorer, then go to Downloads. So you can drag the document that you want to. So you can select the file you want to drop. You can select the file, for example, select this file, drop it. So you can drop the file, then select Compress PDF. Then it will show you the file was 373.56 KB and now it's 20.11 KB. So these are ways to compress file, and this is the file here. It's compressed. Likewise, if you want to check it, you can also go back on top and you will see the file compressed PDF. This is the file here. This is the file. So these are ways, and you can see the document and the file still retain the information on it. So these are ways to compress PDF. Just need to go to iLovePDF.com. Then you select compress PDF. Drop the file you want to compress or upload it and select compress PDF, and it will do this for you straight away. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed.